I want to take a moment to tell you about an exciting project that I'm involved in. It's a magazine, an artist magazine created especially by artists for artists like you. And I'm the editor, so I'm going to make sure that it is packed with information and fun articles that are going to be something you want to read. Now, if you want to get your hands on this magazine, well, it's a free digital magazine, so it couldn't be simpler. Just sign up for the magazine, a free subscription, and it'll drop in your inbox when it's launched. We'll be publishing the first edition on the 1st of September. So don't miss out. Register now and get that first edition. It's going to be packed with how-to articles, linked to videos, book reviews, material reviews, and really fantastic artist spotlight articles as well, where you get to meet artists that are doing real art, people that you want to read about. We're really excited about this project, but we need your help. Subscribe to the magazine and you'll see the first edition in your inbox soon. Links up here or in the description. I know you're going to love it.